Picture this. Imagine yourself in a serene, picturesque landscape, surrounded by the beauty of nature. The air is crisp and the scenery is breathtaking. You're a traveler standing before a secured door faced with a challenge. This isn't just any door, it's an ancient gate that holds secrets behind it. This door requires a code to open, but not just any code. It demands a level of security that only the most intricate and well-thought-out codes can provide. It needs to be strong, unbreakable, a code that can withstand any attempt to breach it. You choose a code with no less than 12 characters. This isn't just a random choice, it's a deliberate decision to ensure maximum security. You mix letters, numbers, and symbols, avoiding any common words or names that might be easily guessed. This combination creates a complex and unique code. Sequences like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or ABCD? Forget about it. These are too predictable and easily cracked. Common phrases? Not a chance. These are the first things an intruder would try. To keep it safe, you store the code in a hidden vault, encrypted so no one else can read it. This extra layer of security ensures that even if someone finds the vault, they can't access the code. Finally, the door opens. You move forward, knowing you're safe from those who would try to break in. The sense of security is empowering. But the journey isn't over. The path ahead is narrow and winding, filled with more challenges. You reach a narrow path with more secured doors. Each door represents a new level of security that you must navigate. Each one requires its own unique key. This means crafting a new code for every door, each one as secure as the last. You carefully craft each code, logging them in a secure chest and sharing them with no one. This chest becomes your personal vault of secrets. Along the way, you meet a guard who questions the need for such strong codes. They wonder why you go to such lengths. You reply with facts, explaining the importance of security in a world where data breaches are common. A 12-character code can slow intruders. It makes it significantly harder for them to guess or crack. Mixing numbers, letters, and symbols cuts the risk. This diversity in characters adds layers of complexity. A longer code gives better security. The more characters, the harder it is to break. You move on, understanding that every door holds data worth protecting. Each door is a guardian of valuable information. The journey raises a question for you, a question that lingers in your mind. How do you secure what matters? What steps will you take to protect your most valuable data? You reach the final door along a silent path. This door represents the ultimate test of your security measures. This last test is crucial. It requires the most secure code you've ever created. You craft a new code with more than 14 characters, mixing letters, numbers, and symbols, avoiding any common words or simple sequences. This code is the pinnacle of your efforts. Securing the code with advanced locks, the door responds and slowly opens. The anticipation builds as the door reveals what's inside. Inside, you find a room of quiet screens. Each screen represents a piece of data that is now secure. Each screen holds safe data locked behind a secret code. The sense of accomplishment is overwhelming. You review the records kept in your secure chest, confirming that each code is stored safely with strong measures in place. This review reassures you of the security you've built. You leave the room with a steady mind, knowing that a secure code builds a safe path. The journey has taught you the value of strong security. How will you protect your own valuable data? The choice is yours, and the journey to secure it begins now.